Hi, Matt McAleer. Day after Thanksgiving, November 29th. Been a fairly quiet week. Most of us are just trying to work off all that food from yesterday. Half a day, so quiet volume, quiet trading today. What did we see this week that we liked in the markets, and what do we have to keep an eye on next week that may offer some concern for us? Let's go right to what we liked. Good, solid breadth along the equity markets. Nice to see small cap and mid cap continue that bid. Remember, small cap, mid cap have been poor relative performers versus the S&P or large cap growth for going on 5 years now. So very nice to see that bid, that breadth. Some of the areas that hadn't been participating had a nice bid this week, particularly biotech, up each day and really up 5-6% on the week. Over on the international scene, some more of the same in Europe. Some backing and filling, good bid. As we said, it's starting to look more and more like that August bottom's going to hold in Europe. That would be a positive for us going forward. Much of the negative rates that we've seen over the last couple of years have improved. We're at about a $16 trillion number from a negative rate standpoint going back 4 or 5 months ago. That's at about 10 trillion. Right now. So we're seeing rates start to move higher. That may be because the governments have decided, and rightfully so, that monetary policy isn't the only way to stimulate an economy. Really need to put some fiscal policy together, some growth initiatives. That'll be a positive in Europe. Asia's still going to be a victim day-to-day, positive or negative, to trade talk. So we saw some late in the week weakness in Asia. We'll keep an eye on that going into next week. What we're looking for in terms of domestic is trying to put money to work on pullbacks. For really 18 months, the S&P 3000, let's call it 30-20, served as real tough resistance. When we moved through that, now we're 100, 120 points above that. What we'd like to see is any pullbacks start to wane or demand start to show up in that 30-20, 30-30, 30-40 area. There's an old saying in trading that resistance becomes support on the way back. It took us a long time to crack that resistance on the way up. Now you'd like to see that resistance become support on any pullback. So heading into December, traditionally we continue to see some small and mid-cap bid here. That would be a positive. We'll let you know next week specifically where we're looking to add money, both in sectors, industries, and cap sizes. Have a great weekend.